What is in the pipeline for this project in the future?
So the Smart Towns project is a very young project, but we launched at the end of April, early May, and we've already managed to deliver a set of the workshop that I was talking about to about 5 or 6 towns. So in the next couple of weeks, we are expecting some action plans back from these towns, and we are very excited to see these action plans, to see what value we can add to them, what support we can offer them. So that's what's going to be happening in the next couple of weeks for the Smart Towns project. And as well as that, we've released another set of workshops which will be going live, and any town can sign up for them. So we will have hopefully more action plans after that as well. And then something we hope to start pretty soon is our solution showcase webinar, which is they are going to be webinars by tech companies demonstrating their technologies, and trying to show what use they can be in a town. So then towns can either get in touch specifically with these tech companies that will be presenting, but also we are hoping that the tech companies might have some offers as well. So that's all coming up in the Smart Towns project.
Thank you.